I just, oh my gosh, I think that was too much. Someone is whistling outside and I have no idea who. Girl, this gives me grown vibes. Like, don't mess with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos días, buenos tardes. If you don't know Spanish, it just means like good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Whatever time of day it is, hello and welcome. And for those of you who are returning, hola, ¿cómo estás? How y'all doing? Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. Today is going to be a quick video about me styling my TWA. For those of you who are not new to my channel, you will probably remember my video of me relaxing my TWA and doing finger waves. That was cool and all for like a month. And then when the regrowth came, you know, it's been so long since I last had short relaxed hair. The maintenance was just nah, I couldn't. And I don't know, I'm growing. I'm not really liking certain styles that I used to like before. I'm finding myself, I'm finding my identity, my style, and everything about me is changing. So I guess I'm going through the motions. But as you can clearly see, I'm back here again with short hair. I done shaved my head top again. Now anyone who knows me knows that I always shave my head at least like once a year. I think this time it's been 2 or 3 times. I think this is the 2nd or 3rd time. I might even insert a clip of the very first time I shaved my head, which was New Year's. And I was like, you know, new beginnings, new hair, new this, shaving off all the dead stuff. Only for me to not commit to my natural hair journey and relax it. And then I decided to shave it again. No, I think I've only shaved it 2 times this year, but then I decided to shave it again. And yeah, I just need to get it together. Really and truly, like I want to embark on a natural hair journey, but I am just struggling because it takes discipline, it takes consistency, and it takes trial and error. You need to learn a lot of things about your hair texture, your hair type, what products work well, what products don't, and a lot of time and money is spent in investing in that whole process. But it's just like, where do you start from? I might check out Wadz because she recently did a video on styling her natural hair and she used some Cantu products. I might watch her video again and actually even check her up because that is my cousin at the end of the day. Shout out to Kibenzo. When is there ever a YouTube video without shouting out Kibenzo? Without further ado, let me stop rambling on and continue. So the gel that I tend to use is the Eco Styler olive oil one, the green one. I'm trying to open this. Hey, there we go. What I do is I scoop out quite a bit actually. Now because I'm wearing nails, I'm scooping out from the top because I don't want it to get like stuck inside. But I actually take quite a bit. I probably don't need that much. And I just spread that in my hand. And what I do is I just, oh my gosh, I think that was too much. I actually take quite a bit. I probably don't need that much. I just rake that gel in. Rake it in, rake it in, rake it in. And I'm actually using my nails right now to kind of act like a wide tooth comb and help separate the hair from where I might have, you know, just been a bit too forceful and applied too much pressure. Because if you, English, at this point no words are even coming, so like what do you even call this battle? If you see me looking down as well, I apologize. I'm just looking at my mirror. My hair is not long enough for me to like flick and rake and shake. Now, that is pretty much all I do. It just helps to define my curl pattern, my hair, and make it look a bit neater rather than how it was looking before. I don't really tend to mind wearing my hair like this. I've actually been going to work on the few days that I'm called into the office like this. Sometimes people prefer a little bit of a part, so what I might do is add a part. think I saw Wadz do this. It's Wadz in her YouTube video. I can't remember if she took a bit more gel, but maybe she did to just help keep that part open. I think she put a tiny bit, or I don't know, I've been to her house a few times, so maybe I saw her getting ready and do this. That's pretty much the steps that I take. But I don't really like a part, so I'm not gonna do that. Obviously right now my hair looks white, and that is just because the product is still sitting, it has not dried. So what I might do is style it, let it dry for a little bit, come back and then show you how it looks. Okay, so now I'm back. I've let my hair dry for a bit. I'd probably say I went off probably even for 14 minutes. But yeah, this is pretty much how it's dried. As you can see, like they're a lot more defined now. That white residue that was there before has gone. That is what I'm working with. It's crazy because, you know, like a good 3-4 years ago, I wouldn't even dare or dream to cut my hair like this and leave. But this is me in my most natural state, obviously despite my makeup. And I just feel like as a woman, personally for me, I just need to learn how to embrace myself in my most natural state. If you can't love me in my natural state, this ain't even my words, but in my most natural state and form, boy, you don't deserve me. I remember once I dated a guy and he was like to me, can you like put a wig on or something? You can't wear your hair like that. Imagine. Men, what do they know? Now, if you don't want to rock it just like this, you know, whatever, you can put on a scarf. I don't really wear scarves. This is kind of cute. Girl, this gives me grown vibes. Like, don't mess with me. Okay. Let's fix that up a little. You know? A little bow patch or whatever that is. Play with the baby hairs a little more. This works. This works. Or if you want like a makeshift turban, I just swoop it round from the back, twist the front part. This is kind of my go-to style as well. And then just twist the top and, you know, play with these little bits until they're gone. Most of the time, if I haven't, you know, put any product in my hair or I'm just not bothered, I will do this hairstyle. This is pretty cute. I like this. I keep using, you'll see it in a second, it's kind of coming out, but an old gym t-shirt. It does the job. I stole my mom's scarf this video, and I might have to keep it because this works. The next hairstyle I do is when I slick my hair all the way down. It's kind of easy-ish to do. Now for the second hairstyle, I don't usually do this when my hair's in this state, so I'm trying to see what I'm working with here. I mean, there is still some gel in my hair, so what I might do is just try and use some of that extra product. But what I'm basically trying to do is just brush out my hair, and I kind of comb it in a circular outward motion, if that makes sense. You can start to see where, like, I tried to do that line. Oh my gosh. And guys, let me know what tips you might have, because obviously you saw that I literally just basically used one product, which was gel. Again, same as before, I'm gonna take probably this much to start off with. I know I don't have that much hair, so I don't need that much. And then I'm gonna start smoothing down my hair, kind of coming towards my base and doing the same thing in like a circular outward motion. Does that make sense? Okay, this is working out for me. I really hope I don't relax my hair ever again. I'm committing to not relaxing my hair ever again. Now I just gotta get back. Okay, so I'm gonna take my brush and just kind of brush that out. So that product coming through. product, come this way. Thank you very much. There's always one, isn't there? So let me just fix these little hairs and then I'm going to wrap it up. I guess I could okay. Okay, so that is pretty flat. I usually would do this hairstyle at night before bed and then come back the next day in the morning and pretty much go to work, but it's the weekend and like I said, for the purpose of this video, I ain't going nowhere. So see you in the next clip when it's dry. Okay, we are back in action. When I took a break, well, when I was allowing my hair to dry, can you imagine? I put my phone on the charger and then the phone stand got knocked and the charger, like the little charging actual part, the input, got stuck in my phone. And I was struggling to take it out for dear life. But anyways, we move. I'm about to take off this headscarf and see what it's saying underneath. I'd say it's probably been 2 hours or 3 hours. Probably 2 hours. Ooh, I'm ready for this to come off. Oh. Okay. God. I don't know what the back looks like. Probably this bit looks a bit funky, but okay, come through. Come through. Come through. Waves on swim. What you know about this? What you know about this? Okay, doesn't look too bad, does it? I might just touch up the little baby hairs real quick. But I think this was cute. Yeah, I think this was a win. Kind of reminds me of my finger wave hairstyle that I did when my hair was relaxed. Someone is whistling outside and I have no idea who. That ain't none of my business. Okay, can we get that piece? They are really whistling. Super cute, right? Again, multiple ways to style this. The 2 ways with the scarf that I mentioned before, or you can just be rocking it like this, you know, what they gonna tell you. Come through. Put some earrings on. I need to start wearing earrings again. It's actually been a hot minute since I last wore them. But yeah, you know, I'm feeling this. Okay, well, this seems to be the end of the video. If you're part of the TWA gang, you're not in this alone, so whoop, we're together. So on the road to 200 subscribers, almost there, you know, not many left to go. I'm just excited, really. Like, stay tuned, join the family. But yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, you're a real G, real MVP. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Adios, amigos. Bye.